welcome back to our video, guys. And I actually died in between episodes. You didn't see it, but when I was when I was not recording, I died. So I just retrieved my stuff. I just realized I had 39 iron. This is going straight to smelting. We can make anvils. Today's episode, we are going to try and make an anvil. In order to make an anvil, we're going to need iron. So that while that's melting, we're also going to need a few more things. String and sticks. Craft. A fishing rod. Probably asking, why do we need a fishing rod? We need enchantment books to enchant our tools because I literally died. That is not acceptable. And mobs when they do that. So since we're right next to the beach, we should probably take advantage of that and we should, fish. Well, this is going to be a long episode. Subscribe if this episode is boring. I better get subscribers out of this episode being boring. Oh yeah, you're probably asking about Forest Way. Episode 1 is currently in the makes. As you know, since it looked detailed in the trailer, we'll try to make it detailed in the show. So we'll probably take, I say, or release sometime November, or maybe today if I get it done. Well, and if there's not gonna be voice lines. So yeah. Come on, enchantment book. I need some enchantment books. I need some enchantment books. I need some enchantment books. Come on. I need some enchantment books. I need not salmon, but enchantment. But okay, maybe salmon. I didn't realize I was dying there. Let's just get to the fun part, and we'll fish off camera. Since it's gonna be long, guys, subscribe. Alright, let's go see if our iron's done smelting, everyone. Come on, gotta be subscribed. Oh yeah, we're gonna be doing some revenge on Amazing Axolotl. He stole our slime block, and he did this. He threw it in the hole, and it despawned. So yeah, we're gonna be doing something to him. I really hope he doesn't watch my video. Alright. How close are we? 2 iron blocks. Anvil. We need 3 iron blocks. 4 iron. Right now, this is how close we are to getting an anvil, everyone. We just need 1 iron block. But yeah, guys, subscribe. Okay, but let's go hunt down on Amazing Axolotl's base, and let's see if there's any precious. Yeah, I should rob a diamond block from him and make it despawn instead of stealing the diamonds. I will probably steal the diamonds though and say it despawned. If we built a treasure vault or something, I'll do it. I will. What is this? Oh yeah, he tried to get in there this time, but he deserved this creeper explosion. He really did deserve that creeper explosion. Alright, let's go back to base and yeah. I hope everything's done smelting. You know what? I'm gonna eat some cooked beef. But I hope everything's done smelting. Proof that. What? Amazing Axolotl cheated. He turned commands on. Well, that's fine. We won't use them. Okay, that's a lie. We'll probably use them. Okay, that's also a lie. We probably won't use them. But I bet he's gonna come in with like full diamond. Like, bro, check this out. I'm gonna like use commands. But you know what we can do? Don't tell Amazing Axolotl about this. Yeah! The no-name slime block is back. Okay, we're not gonna use any more commands. I bet he's gonna use commands though. Now we just need 3 more iron. And then we can make the anvil. You know what, I'm just gonna put a sign up here saying, no axolotl allowed. Do we have any signs? Okay, we have to make it then. No axolotl allowed. I think he's still okay. I hope he doesn't see this video. Are you ready? Yay, we got the anvil. Now where am I supposed to put it? Mission, grab some of that wood. He made a mine. This is where I will like put my enchantment. I think I should de-ally him because he broke my sign block. He built a mine in my backyard. Like, what kind of ally did this? He's like going with too much power. Yeah. Wait, should we do? Okay, yeah. Let's get 5 likes on this video if you want me to cheat and get enchantment blocks like that. Okay, our anvil is here. Do we have any extra andesite? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. We have extra andesite. Race! Racing is dead to me. Dead. Oh my god, I'm putting andesite there when I'm supposed to put wood there. Alright, let's sleep. Yeah, let's get 5 likes on this video if you want to, you know, like if you want me to cheat and get like a sharpness 5. Sharpness 5. But for now, we won't cheat, and I will get a sharpness 5 later when I have that. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, subscribe if you want me to cheat for some diamonds. come on, now mobs are gonna spawn and creatures are gonna come out of the ocean. And I need to fish. Huh. Come on. Come on, be something here. Come on. Okay, yeah, guys, since that didn't work, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and, let's get 5 views on this video. If you want me to cheat and get diamonds and sharpen this 5 enchantment book. And I'll see you in the next one.